This summer, we did something we've never done before. Heat Press Nation and Epson teamed up for an exclusive 2-day creator event right here in Southern California. We brought together some of our top affiliate partners for a behind-the-scenes look at both companies. 2 days, 2 facilities, 1 goal: to create something unforgettable together. Day 1 kicked off at Heat Press Nation. Our partners got the full tour, an inside look at where it all happens, and an update straight from our team on what's next for HPN. They went hands-on with our full lineup of machines and the complete Epson printer family: sublimation, DTG, DTF, and UV. Creating, experimenting, and seeing firsthand what these machines can really do. They were also the first to get a look at brand new projects and products from both Heat Press Nation and Epson. Things most people won't see for a while, but they saw it first. And then, a moment we'll never forget. In front of everyone, Epson presented Heat Press Nation with the Sales Excellence Award, recognizing us as a pro-focused partner in professional imaging solutions. It's Epson's way of formally recognizing HPN as a premier, top-performing partner, proof that our team has mastered the technical and commercial side of professional imaging, from high-end graphics to large format and specialized printing. For a company that started with one heat press and a big idea, this one meant everything. Day 2 took us to Epson America, where our partners toured the facility, stepped inside the studios, and kept capturing content you're going to see very soon. To every creator who joined us, thank you. You showed up, you created, and you made this event everything we hoped it would be. We couldn't have done it without you. This was just the beginning. There's a lot more content on the way, so stay tuned. And to see even more from behind the scenes, go check out our affiliate partners' videos. They captured moments you won't want to miss. Heat Press Nation and Epson, 2 industry leaders, 1 incredible event.